So today's video is going to be a complete review about ZenBusiness and their LLC formation platform. They're one of the best entity formation platforms out there. The first type of business that should consider becoming an LLC is a business that wants to limit the personal liability of themselves and their partners or investors. There's also the fact that investors are less likely to put their money into an LLC business versus something like a C Corp. So if you do want to raise capital for your business, then I definitely would recommend look at corporations instead. I highly recommend that you guys go through ZenBusiness because they actually make filing super easy and affordable for small business owners. You can actually prepare and file your own business formation documents. And next we have their premium plan. There's all the features from the starter and pro plan. Plus they're going to help you set up your website, domain name, email address, and they'll rush your filing speed so that you can get everything done and out of the way even faster. So I'm going to say lots. And yeah, I really appreciate this because it's sort of like you're talking to a consultant, and compared to many of the other LLC formation services out there, those guide you way less. So let's say that I'm already making money. I'll click on this one. It's going to ask me for my business goals. Send. It's going to ask you about your registered agent. So you guys can actually use them as your registered agent, or you can appoint your own. Anyways, you guys, I'm going to drop the link to ZenBusiness down below in the description.